Hello friends, I am Sambita. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw pear with oil pastel. So let's get started. From this point, make a curved line, go inside, go outside, round and get fluffy like this, and from up make it curve and go inside, go outside, round and join those lines. From here go up, then straight, then down, join. One curved line, then straight, and then curved line, join. Same here, make a curved line and straight and gap and join. Now our drawing is ready for coloring. At first I am using yellow one side. Now I am using light green another side. Now mixed and blend it with yellow. Now I am using ochre yellow. Ochre yellow, blend it with yellow and green. Now I am using deep green and mixed it with all colors and blend it well. For outlining, I am using deep blue. Now I am using light brown for shading. At last I am using black. Our drawing is ready. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Till then, stay creative, stay happy. Bye-bye.